Just outside of Atlanta, Georgia, Woodbury Park is a new townhome community by D.R. Horton, offering the convenience of low maintenance, living with lawn, and exterior maintenance included. Homeowners will have more time to relax and enjoy their surroundings. Located at the intersection of Plummer Road Southwest and Riverside Drive Southwest, Woodbury Park is within walking distance of Sandtown Crossing's Publix, UPS store, and Starbucks. Commuters will appreciate easy access to major roads, providing a short trip into downtown Atlanta and Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. Families will love the surrounding Fulton County schools, including Westlake High, Sandtown Middle, and Stonewall Tell Elementary, as well as the nearby Campbellton Creek Nature Park for outdoor recreation.